Hongtai Technology Company Limited is a true turnkey supplier and single-source solution for our customers with over 10 years of experience and is located in Shenzhen, China. We support our customers at a world-class level from PCB board design through production. Our PCB products and services include a full spectrum of quick-turn and production integrated services, including industry, quickest turn times, PCB design, PCB layout, PCB manufacturing, international procurement of electronic components from DigiKey, Mouser, Arrow, Future, Element 14, PCBA SMT, and DIP assembly, IC programming, AOI, X-ray, ICT inspection, cable and box assembly, final assembly, and FCT function testing. We work closely with our customers over 200 countries to improve designs and develop manufacturing and test methods to reduce cost, compress lead times, and enhance quality and reliability. Hongtai is your top choice partner. Welcome to contact us. With Hongtai's diverse capabilities and flexibility to service our customer partners, we take great pride in being able to meet the demands of all or any portions of your requirements. We are here to make you a success.
Welcome to Hongtai Technology Corporation Limited.